Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, my dear lecturer and fellow student. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Alia Juspita, and I am a public health student. It is a great pleasure to be here today. Have you ever wondered how important parental affection is in a adolescent life? Today, I would like to discuss the impact of a lack of parental affection on adolescent emotional well-being and social behavior. This paper focuses on two main aspects: the impact of a lack of parental affection on adolescent emotional well-being and its influence on their social behavior. Last week, I went to a coffee shop with a friend. During our conversation, he said that his felt sad due to a lack of affection, attention, and support from his mother. He also felt that he was treated differently from his older sibling, who, re- who received more love and care. This decision led him to stay away from home and become involved in negative social circles. Some experiences demonstrate the vital role parental affection played in a child development. A lack of parental affection and attention not only affects an adolescent's emotional well-being but also influences social behavior. A lack of parental affection and attention can significantly affect an adolescent's emotional well-being. Adolescents who feel unloved or unfairly treated by their parental often experience sadness, disappointment, and a sense of worthlessness. This feeling can lower their self-confidence and make it difficult for them to express their emotions. A clear example can be seen in my friend, who did not receive enough affection, attention, and support from his mother. He also felt that he was treated differently from his older sibling, who received more love and care. Because of this unequal treatment, he gradually felt neglected and emotional hurt. As time went by, he became less confident and found it difficult to express his feelings to his family. Uh, Therefore, this case demonstrates that a lack of parental affection, attention, and support can seriously affect an adolescent's emotional well-being. Furthermore, a lack of parental affection and attention also influences social behavior. Adolescents who do not receive sufficient attention from their family often seek acceptance and comfort outside the home. Consequently, they become more vulnerable to negative peer influences. A clear example can be seen in my friend who often stayed away from home because he felt that he did not receive enough affection, attention, and support from his mother. He began associating with the Rome crowd as a way of escaping the problem he is facing within his family. Over time, he spent more time with his friends than with his family because he felt more accepted by them. Because of this, he became more vulnerable to negative influences and enhance social behavior. Therefore, this example shows that a lack of parental affection, attention, and support from parental can negatively influence adolescent social behavior. On the experience, it can be concluded that a lack of affection, attention, and support from parents can negatively affect adolescent emotional development and social behavior. Adolescents who feel neglected are more likely to seek acceptance and a sense of belonging through negative peer groups. Therefore, parents should communicate openly with their children, show equal affection, attention, and support, and make time to listen to them. Likewise, adolescents should have the courage to express their feelings to their parents or other trusted adults to build more family relationships and for healthy emotional development. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has helped us understand the importance of parental affection, attention, and support in adolescent life. Let's work together to create loving and supportive families for a better future. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.